well. I'm conscious the bank holiday weekend is coming up and people are now going to be starting to turn their thoughts towards what they're going to eat and drink. Myself and the lads in the Corkscrew had a bit of a chat and we decided we put our heads together and kind of make the delicious part of the weekend as easy as possible. So we've put together this kit of 6 wines which have been paired beautifully with 6 really easy to follow tailor-made recipes. So along with the wines you'll get this little booklet, and inside the booklet there's a recipe to go with each wine, and the recipes are easy to make with ingredients that you have in your pantry. You only need one trip to the supermarket to make it happen. So just to take you through the wines really quickly, there's 2 whites, some bubbles, a rosé and 2 reds. The first white is from a producer called Bodegas Terrascauda, and they're based in Rías Baixas in Galicia. And this is principally Albariño. It's really amazing wine, very aromatic, lots of aromas of sort of apricot, honey, peach, elderflower, really mineral and zesty and bright on the palate. And we've paired that with a roast cod dish with some crispy roast potatoes and homemade tartar sauce. Delish. The next white is a single vineyard Sauvignon Blanc from Friuli in Italy. And it's really very delicate, nice citrus fruits, gooseberry aromas, and lots of basil and nettles on the nose. And we've put this together with a dish of roasted cherry tomatoes, tossed with a bit of spaghetti and garlic and basil. Absolutely delish. The bubbles is from Penedès in Spain. So really high quality cava here. It's got 18 months resting with the yeast. So you get a really yeasty, biscuity, brioche driven sparkling wine with lots of oranges and tangerines. So we've done a cracking little dish for this, some garlic roast, fried prawns with smoked salmon and homemade dill aioli. But it's also cracking with just a handful of crisps and nuts while you're waiting for a barbecue to heat up. This rosé from Côte de Tongue near Bordeaux in France is made of a blend of Grenache, Syrah and Mourvedre. Lovely summer fruits, lots of oranges again, strawberries, raspberries, and I've done a recipe for this which is glazed pork chops with homemade mango salsa. Delish. This gigondas from a producer called Olivier Ravoire. It's big and it's bold and it's peppery. And alongside this, we've done a recipe for medium rare ribeye steaks. You can cook them more if you want the cow to have died for nothing, with homemade peppercorn sauce. And then finally, from a flagship producer of ours, Alvaro Palacios, cousin of Ricardo Palacios, a wine from Bierto made of 100% Mencia that we've paired up with some lamb chops and homemade minty salsa. So check it out. The link is in the bio below, and have a great bank holiday weekend.